Hello my YouTube fans. So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox, or you can say unpack, a very different wireless mouse. And yes, this is Arctic Fox mouse. This is new in the market, and recently I have seen the advertisement of this Arctic Fox mouse, and then I have just went through the internet on the commercial website, and I found it very well designed. And the best part is, like, you will have the transparent view over here. So this is the front view of the box, and this is how the mouse will look like. And it is having a standard range that is 10 meter for any Bluetooth device. And you can see on the back of the box, the main thing is, like, this is Make in India product. Yes, and even they are providing 1 year of warranty. And this is having desktop key and very lightweight mouse, that is 76 gram weight. And yes, this mouse will support Type-C charging port, and this box is containing the charging cable as well. You can see the MRP of the mouse is 1999, that is so high, but I have purchased this in INR 700 rupees only. And here we go. So inside the box, it's very simple. The mouse is kept inside a pouch, and there is a cable and the user manual. I'm sorry, that was bill, not the user manual. So there is no user manual type of thing, but the mouse look and feel is very good. The product build quality is very good. So I will not give the 5-star rating for the packaging, but the product is really good. So in this price, if you're getting this type of product with a bit of bad packaging, so that can be tolerated. And you can see the logo, it's quite interesting and attractive. Apart from this, you will have two types of button over here. One is the push button, which you can toggle between the 3 devices, and another is the turn on and off button. So this is a sliding button. You can slide it to turn on, and again slide it to another direction to turn the mouse off. So those are the 2 keys provided in the mouse, and this is the C-type USB port, charging port. And this is the side view of the mouse. It looks pretty good, and it looks like very standard and very cool mouse. So now I will remove the top transparent cover, and yes, this was attached with the help of magnets. And this USB adapter is also attached with the help of magnet. It is not having such space where you can insert the USB adapter. Just you need to put it on the top, and magnet will take care of that particular adapter. And here you are having the scroll button, which is completely metallic button, and you are having another clicks, left and right clicks. Those are very silent clicks. You will not get the sound like click click as you are seeing in another mouse. This is a different type of switch which they have implemented in the mouse, which will not produce any sound while you will be clicking it. So there is no sound whenever I'm trying to click it. So it might be possible if you're working in a very silent environment, so you will not get disturbed from the clicks. And apart from this, the mouse has been provided with 2 more switches on the top, that is desktop and DPI. Desktop is useful in case you want to minimize all the running application in one click. That is a very nice feature. And DPI button is for turning on or off the mouse LED. You can even change the color of the mouse LED with this button. And the most important thing is, like, you can even use this mouse when it is getting charged. You can just connect it with your computer, and simultaneously it will be charging, and at the same time you can able to use it. That's the very excellent feature which even the Apple mouse is not having. So after turning it on, I can see the LEDs are glowing. However, it is not paired with any device. and hence it is not showing the proper LED pattern. But not to worry about the operational part of the video. I will be coming up with a new video where I will be explaining all the operational details of this mouse. So stay tuned to my channel. If you feel the video is knowledgeable and interesting, please like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And do comment with your queries if you want to know anything about this mouse. So that's all in this video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and keep rocking. Bye bye.